So what's the situation today? It's very, very complicated, and this PowerPoint is probably not even up to date with the latest um, issues, though I'll comment on some in the last few slides. But what are some of the things that are going on today? Well, looking at this map, this is, as I talked about, the two Palestinian areas officially are Gaza, or the Gaza Strip, which is along the Mediterranean Sea, and the West Bank, which is the west bank of the Jordan River and about borders the Dead Sea, and the Jordan River flows into the Dead Sea. The green is everything Israeli. And if you look at this legend here, it talks about what gets full Palestinian control, which means the Palestinian Authority can actually govern it. That is brown. As you can see, there's very few brown places that the Palestinians can actually control in the land that is officially and legally theirs. Area B, which is in the yellow, is a compromise between is Palestinian administration, but the Israelis get to do the security. So the Israelis are still in control there. Then Area C is still to be negotiated, and that's in the white. And Jerusalem, this is a little old, talks about still to be negotiated, though that's being negotiated right now under Donald Trump. The white areas, in particular in the West Bank, here often referred to as what I mentioned earlier, settlements, illegal settlements, and highways. So this is before I went to Israel or the Palestine, I didn't know what a settlement was. This is an example of a settlement. But what a settlement really is just a really huge neighborhood or community, a gated community. And it's only for Jews, and it's gated. Palestinians cannot live there. They can work there, but they cannot live there. And in these settlements, they have schools and parks and pools and gyms and everything, and this is built on Palestinian land, but it is only for Jews. The other thing that's going on, one thing among many, is the home demolitions, Palestinian home demolitions. So Israel, or the Israeli government, will demolish Palestinian homes if they suspect that a terrorist is there. That could get complicated, but let's say there's a 10-member family there, one person they suspect is a terrorist, they bulldoze the home, all those people are out of a home. The other reason why they will demolish the home is if the home is maybe in the way of a settlement they want to build, or this separation border that they've built, or other things that gets in the way of Israeli development. So the Palestinians would argue that their land is still being encroached upon by the Israelis, and they're not being treated fairly.